Everyone, as usual, excuse the desk. Right, today we have a Raspberry Pi 3 on top of the big pile of junk on my desk. We have 4 relays, a little add-on board I picked up from ABX Labs at some maker event around the UK. I don't know, I buy that much stuff and I can't remember where I got it from. And we have this wonderful K-Moon maglock, which can resist up to about 280 kilos of force. It's one of these maglocks for doors you see at universities and government buildings. And that's plugged into a 12 volt power supply over here. And it's connected down there. You're getting a real tour of my floor today, aren't you? And I've got a Wago connector, which is just really connecting ground on the power supply to ground on the maglock. But the actual power connection, so 12 volts, is going through this relay, which is normally closed. So when we energize the relay, it's going to close the circuit, and it's all been handled via GPIO Zero. I'm just using the LED class from GPIO Zero just because it's really easy just to get started with. So I'm going to use res on, that's what I've called it. If I press enter now, move it slightly nearer, give myself the best chance. Bang, there you go. They are stuck and it's going to take quite a lot of force to prise them apart. And let's turn them off. There we go. Let's do that again just in case you want to hear it. Bang, we are on. If I try and pull this apart now, not easy one-handed when holding the camera here. Locked. So let's just use GPIO Zero to turn it off. Easy peasy. Anyway, got a bit of fun. Cheers.